Welcome. And to get started, you want to go to the Assignments tab. If you're using your phone, you want to click this navigation button. Under the navigation menu, you'll see Assignments and Current. When you have many assignments, they'll fall into the previous ones. So we click Current. When you look over on the left or on the top on the phone, you'll notice the required lessons. And the required lessons are the ones you have to do. There are also optional lessons. And the optional lessons is if you need more help, if you forgot too much of the information, that's prerequisite. We have that information for you. Also, if you're interested in a topic and you want to go further, we have advanced lessons for you. But once again, these are optional. So the required lessons, you have to go in order. You'll start off with the pre-test, and then you'll have many just lessons, typically videos, PowerPoints, links, and then at the end you'll end with a test. But you notice the only link that you have available is to the first lesson, and you have to go in order. As soon as you complete the first lesson, in this example the pre-test, then you can have access to the next lesson. So let's say you completed the pre-test, and notice you get a check mark, all done, and now the next assignment link is appearing. Notice none of the others, you have to go in order. Now, this assignment is a video, and you also have a printable. If you want to take notes and want a fill-in-the-blank organizer for the notes, then you may click on this, and it will download a file for you. And depending upon if you're using your phone or what web browser, it's going to put it in to different locations, but it's always going to go down to your downloads folder. If you're using your phone, it'll just automatically open up into a PDF reader. And if you're using Chrome, like we are here, it'll download it to the bottom. And notice you get your fill-in-the-blank organizer for the notes. It speeds up note-taking tremendously and organizes it for you. So you go here to watch the video, and the website is going to pay attention if you are watching the video or not. And based upon that, like if you click finish, if you are actually done with the video, it might give you a check, but also it actually might not give you a check because it might make you, the default setting is to make you watch it for the required amount of time. And you notice you just keep on going through all the assignments. And if it doesn't actually give you the check, you could always hit refresh. That's actually pretty important. So when you click on the notes, it'll download another PowerPoint. Correct? And it's a PDF file, not a video file. And right here is your PDF or your PowerPoint. And of course, you'll even have fill-in-the-blank notes for those also. So you have fill-in-the-blank notes. Right there's the PowerPoint. And once you made it through all of the lessons, you end with a test. So let's say you went in and took all the lessons and you passed the online test. You'll get a check mark once you got it passed. You can go back and work on previous assignments. I have not actually completed the entire unit yet. But notice I click on previous assignments and I can see previous assignments that were scheduled in previous weeks. And the protein synthesis one, I have a check mark, and that check mark means I've actually completed everything. So you notice I've actually even passed the test. Everything's been completed. And the homeostasis I haven't actually done yet, so there's no check mark yet. I still need to do it. And you notice I haven't actually completed all the lessons yet.